The Upanishads, the quintessence of spiritual wisdom from each Veda. The Upanishads, revered as the culmination of Vedic thought, delve into the profound metaphysical and philosophical inquiries that transcend ritualistic practices. This article delves into the individual contributions, themes, philosophical insights, and spiritual teachings of the Upanishads associated with each Veda, Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda. By exploring these unique texts, we unravel the timeless wisdom that forms the foundation of Hindu philosophy. Brief overview. The Upanishads, often referred to as Vedanta, signify the end of the Vedas and represent the culmination of Vedic teachings. They delve into the nature of reality, the self, and the ultimate truth, transcending ritualistic confines to explore the depths of human consciousness. Each Veda, Rig Veda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, and Atharvaveda, has Upanishads associated with it, offering distinct perspectives on spiritual inquiry. Rig Veda Upanishads. The nature of Brahman and Atman. The Upanishads from the Rig Veda explore the nature of Brahman, the ultimate reality, and Atman, the individual self. The Aitareya Upanishad discusses the creation of the universe, equating it to the unfolding of consciousness. The Kaha Upanishad explores the journey of the soul and the nature of reality through the allegory of a chariot. Samaveda Upanishads. Chants, melodies, and inner harmony. The Samaveda Upanishads delve into the significance of sound and melody in spiritual practice. The Chandogya Upanishad discusses the profound relationship between the individual self and the universal reality. The Kena Upanishad explores the essence behind the Samavedic chants and reveals the unmanifest aspect of Brahman. Yajurveda Upanishads. Rituals and liberation. The Upanishads from the Yajurveda bridge the gap between rituals and liberation. The Isha Upanishad reflects on the dual nature of existence, material and spiritual. The Brihadaranyak Upanishad elaborates on the interconnectedness of reality and introduces the concept of Netineti, not this, not that, to describe the ultimate reality. Atharvaveda Upanishads. Mysticism and practical wisdom. The Upanishads from the Atharvaveda combine mystical insights with practical wisdom. The Mundaka Upanishad discusses the pursuit of knowledge and the distinctions between higher and lower knowledge. The Mandukya Upanishad introduces the significance of the sacred syllable Aum and explores the nature of consciousness. Philosophical insights and spiritual teachings. Across all four Vedas, the Upanishads share common threads: non-duality, Advait, the nature of reality, Brahman, the self, Atman, and the pursuit of liberation, Moksha. These texts emphasize the importance of self-inquiry, meditation, and direct experiential realization of the ultimate truth. Legacy and relevance. The Upanishads have left an indelible mark on Hindu philosophy, spirituality, and global philosophical discourse. Their teachings continue to inspire seekers, philosophers, and scholars, transcending cultural and temporal boundaries. The Upanishads provide a timeless roadmap for understanding the nature of reality and the path to self-realization. Conclusion. The Upanishads from each Veda, through their profound inquiries into the nature of reality, the self, and ultimate truth, offer unique perspectives on the human quest for meaning and spiritual enlightenment. These texts serve as beacons of wisdom, illuminating the path from ignorance to self-realization and guiding humanity toward a deeper understanding of the cosmos and the self.